Looks like they're getting everything ready for the water slide because the waterfall just stopped. So they must be getting it ready to go. Here comes the water again. Oh, you know what they do? They turn off the pump that pumps the water over because of the people coming down. So it was going a lot stronger before. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Alright, up I go.
Alright.
It's gonna be cold.
Yeah. I'm gonna stand under the waterfall and wait. Time to go try the water slide. Ooh. Woohoo! Awesome. Woohoo! Woo! So much speed! Here comes Dante. Oh, and they're sending Logan down already. Woo! There he goes. Woo! Hit subscribe, hit that button down there, and if you hit subscribe and like the video, then maybe I'll stop singing. We'll never know unless you hit subscribe, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and maybe I'll stop singing. Let's find out if that works.